Pratley Powder Bond is a fast-curing, high-strength, instant repair system. Pratley Powder Bond is ideal for strengthening and repairing most plastic items and other hard surface plastics. Let's have a look at the properties. Pratley Powder Bond is an instant repair system which can be used either as a two-part kit for filling gaps or a single adhesive for bonding. It is water resistant once hardened and can easily be sanded and painted once set. Pratley Powder Bond has a black and white powder filler for different applications. It has an easy-to-use self-piercing cap and a long nozzle for application. Pratley Powder Bond is a completely unique formulation that allows the liquid adhesive to penetrate the powder filler for maximum adhesion. Some suggested uses for Pratley Powder Bond: repairing car bumpers, repairing damaged wheel caps, repairing radiator overflow tanks, repairing broken television remotes, and mending rubber O-rings with just the liquid adhesive as the one-part application. Surfaces to be bonded must be dry and free of dust, oil and grease. For cracked surfaces, drill a hole on either side of the crack to prevent from running. To aid adhesion, ensure to roughen the surfaces or edges. To apply Pratley Powder Bond, clean the surface area. Apply the appropriate color powder filler to the area being repaired. Tear off the safety collar on the lid, then push down with the lid to pierce the nozzle. Carefully apply the liquid adhesive to the powder filler. Once the surface is hardened, no more liquid adhesive will be absorbed by the powder filler. Pratley Powder Bond will harden fully after approximately 30 seconds. Wait 20 minutes or longer before using. All Pratley products carry our policy statement which states, "The performance of our products must exceed all others on the world market." Visit our website or social media platforms for more information.